In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Odoo branding from website. We'll be making a small change inside Odoo's website view settings so the brand promotion message no longer appears on your site. This is a quick process, but because it involves editing a view, it's important to move carefully and make only the changes shown. Start by opening Odoo and going to Settings. Once you're there, look for the option to activate developer mode and click it. Developer mode gives you access to the technical settings that aren't visible in the standard view, and that's exactly where we need to go for this task. After developer mode is enabled, go back into settings and open the technical section. From there, click on user settings. Inside that area, select user interface and then open views. This is where Odoo stores the templates and interface elements used across the system, including website snippets and promotional messages. Now, in the search bar, type brand promotion message and open that view from the results. This is the specific view responsible for displaying the Odoo branding on the website. Once the view is open, click Edit. You'll then need to work inside the Architecture tab. In this section, you have two options. You can either delete lines 2 through 8, or you can comment out the div block using comment tags so that the code is ignored but still remains there for reference. If you prefer a safer approach, commenting out the block is usually helpful because it lets you restore it later if needed. The goal here is to leave only the wrapper in place while removing the actual promotional content. As you edit, be careful not to remove anything outside that specific block. Since this is template code, even a small accidental change could affect how the page renders. Taking an extra second to review the code before saving is always a good idea. When you're done, click Save, then go to your website and refresh the page. After the page reloads, the Odoo branding should be gone. If you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing again or clearing your browser cache, since websites sometimes display a stored version of the page. But in most cases, once the view is saved and the site is refreshed, the update appears right away. That's it. You've successfully removed the Odoo branding from your website.